Hello, my future space explorers. It's me, your space guide, and today I'm going to tell you all about one of the coolest places in space, the International Space Station. Have you ever wondered what it's like to live in space? Let's float right into the story. When I first learned about the International Space Station, or ISS for short, I was amazed. Imagine a giant science lab floating high above Earth, where astronauts from all over the world live and work together. That's exactly what the ISS is. The ISS orbits Earth at a super fast speed, about 28,000 kilometers per hour. That's so fast it goes around the entire planet every 90 minutes. Wow! From up there, astronauts can see the sunrise and sunset 16 times a day. Isn't that incredible? Living on the ISS is a lot different from living here on Earth. For starters, there's no gravity. That means everything floats, including the astronauts. They have to strap themselves down to sleep, and their food comes in special packages so it doesn't fly away. If I were there, I think I'd have a lot of fun floating around. What about you? The astronauts on the ISS are super busy. They do all kinds of important experiments, like testing how plants grow in space or how being in zero gravity affects the human body. These experiments help scientists learn more about space and prepare for future missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. But it's not all work and no play. The astronauts get to talk to their families, watch movies, and even take photos of Earth from space. Some of the pictures they've shared are so beautiful. You can see entire continents, glowing city lights, and even swirling hurricanes. One of the coolest parts about the ISS is that it's a team effort. It was built by space agencies from many countries, including NASA, Russia's Roscosmos, and others. Astronauts from different parts of the world live and work together, showing how teamwork can make anything possible, even in space. Now, let me ask you, if you could visit the ISS, what's the first thing you'd do? Would you float around, look out the window at Earth, or try some space food? Let me know. I can't wait to hear your ideas.